Hey, good day everyone. Check out this rock cover I have here. Looks just like a real rock, and it matches a lot of the rocks we have around here. But it also has some stuff so you can run some services or whatever you need to underneath there. Here's what the inside looks like. Look around it. Pretty thick too, if you notice how thick that is. You're not going to easily break this thing. Feels pretty robust. There's some holes right there too, some vent holes all the way through, just on that one side. And then there's a little cutouts there too. Well, here's a look at it out here. You can see it blends right in with the rest of the landscape there. It'd be good for covering up certain things like maybe a ground spigot, things like that. You know, maybe a clean out, a septic clean out. Here is a perfect example of where something like this could be used. So you don't really want to look at that, but guess what? This looks a lot better. Kind of stack it up there. Now it's nice and hidden. You can even do something like this. This is perfect for a septic clean out because you don't want to cover it all the way up with rocks anyway, then you'll never find it. Now I know exactly where it is, and it's not readily apparent that it's a clean out. All right, let's say we had to go unclog the drain, the main line to the septic. Just pop that lid right off of there. Now you have access to it. And when we're done, go ahead and put this cover on there. Like that. And then put the rocks around it so it kind of blends in a little bit better. There we go. Really happy with this thing. Thanks for watching, everybody.